Hi, this is Alexandra from Blix, and today I'm going to show you how to install the front rack.
Let's begin with the hardware. 3 M8 20mm socket cap screws, 3 washers, 2 M5 50mm half-round head screws, 2 M5 30mm half-round head screws, 4 washers, and 4 nuts. Tools required to install the front rack are a 3mm Allen key, a 5mm Allen key, a 6mm Allen key, and an 8mm by 10mm combination wrench. The Blix front rack is designed to be used with any of our 2019 or later models with head tube mounting points. First, let's remove the head tube badge. Use the 5mm Allen key to remove the 3 screws holding the Blix head tube badge. Now we are ready to attach the front rack. Line up the 3 holes on the front rack with the 3 holes on the head tube mounting point. Insert the 3 M8 20mm screws using 1 washer each. Screw these in evenly using the 6mm Allen key. Finally, let's talk about additional hardware. Use the additional hardware to install other accessories on the front rack.